Together, let us explore the stars and encourage the arts of colour.
So my name's Harry Macintosh. Basically, I finished high school, was at a loose end, I guess, maybe, and just wanted to get out of there and try something new. Different ways of expressing yourself through art, not just painting. I started using a lot of black paper and white pencil, white pastel. Then I sort of dived into colour a little bit more, and I was using a lot of brighter colours, a lot of like pinks and pastel colours and stuff like that. And then I started learning more about colour and learning how to mix colour and actually work with it. But now I feel like I'm really getting a lot of enjoyment out of being more minimal, no more than 3 colours in a painting, and letting the small things speak, and using a lot of text as well. It's because I really want people to actually read it and appreciate that. My name's Harry, and thanks for listening.